Hey everyone! Today we're exploring the word discretion and why it's so useful to understand. Discretion means the ability to make decisions based on your own judgment and authority. It also means being careful and sensitive when handling personal or confidential matters. For example, a manager might use discretion to give an employee an extra day off. Or someone might use discretion when dealing with private information to maintain trust. Here are more examples. A police officer showing discretion during a peaceful resolution. A teacher giving students discretion to choose their own project topics is another example. Discretion highlights thoughtful decision-making, especially in sensitive or delicate situations. You often hear discretion used in workplaces, law enforcement, or privacy-related contexts. For instance, a lawyer uses discretion when sharing confidential details with a client. To recap, discretion means making decisions with good judgment and handling matters carefully. It's about both decision-making authority and being sensitive with private information. Now you know how discretion plays a key role in thoughtful and careful choices.